Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Audi A8 key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is quick and easy, typically taking just a few minutes. Let's get started and restore full functionality to your key. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side of your Audi A8 key. Press it and slide out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it. The two halves of the key fob should separate with a soft click, giving you access to the interior. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Pay attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Be careful not to damage any internal components. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. It should fit snugly. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves and press them firmly together until they click securely into place. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks. Now, test all the key's functions, like locking and unlocking your Audi A8, to confirm everything works perfectly. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.